Often, the purpose of a mechanism is to transfer or transform a given input motion into a desired output motion. If we start with a 4-bar linkage like this with given link lengths, then potentially we can fix any of these 4 links to derive 4 different 4-bar mechanisms. This process is called as inversion. Essentially, inversion is nothing but a shift of observer from one link to another. So a different link appears fixed to him or her, and a different input-output relationship is observed. For example, in this case, we can give input to link AB, which is capable of complete rotation, so we would call it a crank. Then the output link CD only oscillates, giving us a rocker. So here we have a crank rocker mechanism by fixing link AD. Now suppose we fix a different link, say link CD this time, then we will get a different input-output relationship. So now we don't have any crank at all, but there are essentially 2 rockers moving like this. Let us see how we can represent the bare essential of what we did in a schematic manner. If we focus on these 4 revolute pairs A, B, C and D and think of how far each one of them rotates, then we notice the pair A and B rotate completely. So I have marked it with complete green circles, while C and D rotate only partially. So I have marked them with partial red arcs. And then I have represented the links by a general schematic symbol like this arc. So this represents our linkage. Finally, we add which link is fixed with this notation, and we have an inversion over here. Let us see how this notation or schematic representation describes our inversion. Here link AD is fixed, so let us say AB is our input. That would make CD the output. Since link AB is connected to a fully rotating pin or a revolute pair, this will form a crank, while CD is connected to a partially rotating revolute pair, so it will only oscillate, forming a rocker. So this is a crank rocker. Let us see another inversion. For that, we are going to fix link AB. Here, if this is the input BC and AD is the output, then both are connected to a fully rotating pin, and therefore both of them will be cranks. So we get a double crank. And fixing link CD would put our input link as well as output link in contact with a partially rotating revolute pair, and therefore both of them will become a rocker, and then we will get a double rocker mechanism. I am sure you will agree with me that inversion offers us an unbeatable deal of buy 1 get 4 free. We start with a single linkage and get 4 mechanisms using inversion.